Good morning, this is Dennis.Girod with Guaranty RV in sunny Oregon today, happy to say. So we're going to look at this 2016 Newmar Ventana LE together. This is the 3725, great floor plan, triple slide, 360 horse Cummins engine. This one does have a basement slide out tray with room for a couple more if you'd like to. So let's talk about what that means. So that means it is a triple slide coach. Opposing slides in the front living room, giving you tremendous amounts of living room space. This has the freestanding table and chairs, so 2 chairs with 2 more chairs under the rear bed. Table is 3 positions. When you see the video, you'll see it's in all the way. But one thing you'll notice is tremendous amounts of storage behind it. So as we come in the door, we go past the passenger seat. Nice full queen size fold out couch. This has a table and then a recliner. The recliner is freestanding, so you can slide it out if you'd like to really test the full recline on that. As we move down the aisle, we have a side bath, nice size shower, toilet area. This unit also has fantastic fans, which means the big blade fans that you can set the speed of. Tremendous amounts of air to be moved, but also very, very quiet. As we go down through the back, we have a king bed, pocket door separates it out, wardrobe across the back. This one is prepped for washer dryer. We could add it easily if you'd like. If not, tremendous amounts of storage and hanging. Then as we come back around the foot of the bed, of course we have our TV, our drawers and doors, and our shirt wards. We come into the center of the coach, back to the center. We have a pantry. And one thing, if you look closely at the Newmars, and you're looking at the pantries in the diesels, we open it, you'll see these pinholes beside the drawers. All those drawers are completely adjustable. If you want to have your cereal boxes in the bottom, your canned goods at the top, this is your coach. You can adjust it the way you'd like to have it. As we move around, then we have a 4-door RV style refrigerator, which means it will run on LP or 120 volt, either one. We move up, we have a 3-burner cooktop with a microwave convection oven. And this is the new style where the electronics are on the door, so it gives you a microwave about 25 to 30% bigger because of the panel not being on the right-hand side. Move up into the living room, we're back to the freestanding table and chairs, the wall-mounted TV, nice size TV. And then in the overhead, this one has a Sony surround sound, 5-speaker surround sound. This one also has a stationary satellite. And one of the things that Newmar does a great job on, among many, number one, we all know they do a great job of insulation. Number 2, great job of build quality. But number 3, they give us the right amount of widgets. So this one, as you look at it, it has aqua-hot, it has a magnum inverter, and so as you see those things, what we're looking for is enough information. We can maintain our coach easily, and on the other hand, not so much that we can't use it. This does a great job of meeting us where we want there. This coach has 2 air conditioning zones, and these air conditioners are also heat pumps. So above 45 degrees, your air conditioner can make heat for you. So tremendous coach, nice layout, good colors. As we all know, Newmar builds a great coach. Tremendous insulation, great build quality, and tremendous service after the fact. So if you're interested, please give us a call. Come take a test drive. The ultimate is driving one, because with the comfort drive, what else can you drive that 37 feet behind you is the engine noise? When you're going down the road, it's whisper quiet up front. And at night, the reverse is true. The generator's all the way in the front. It's a quiet diesel, but it's all the way at the other end from your bedroom. So diesel pushers are kind of the ultimate way to go. If you want to experience that, come see us and take a test drive, please.